In this video, we'll explain how to create users in AAI using native capabilities, in other words, outside of third-party directory systems like LDAP. You're creating basic users. User IDs are required to perform actions in the web interface. A user can have one of two roles, user or admin. The admin role opens up all necessary privileges, creating users and business areas, while the regular role is passive only. The default access restriction features are very limited. They boil down to admin versus non-admin. If you're looking to implement a system of permissions and privileges on feature function sets, you'll need to deploy a dedicated platform such as Broadcom's EEM, which we cover elsewhere. We start in the user management section of the web interface. We see the list of users, their domains, roles, last login, and active sessions. We simply create a new user and assign a user role. Note that AAI can be integrated with third-party directory systems like EEM or LDAP. In doing so, we delegate user management to an external platform that is dedicated, and in most cases better suited in the deployments of granular access restrictions over AAI's functions. We cover the integration of AAI into EEM elsewhere. If you decide to go this route, then EEM can be selected in the list of domains. JAWS is the baseline domain for AAI when no integration exists. The JAWS domain provides two basic levels of permissions, admin and non-admin. The admin user role gives you access to everything, while non-admin only allows access to functional aspects of AAI, like job stream management and supervision. For every user in the solution, you can see active sessions, in other words, the users currently connected to the system. We can show how to create a domain, although until you've deployed LDAP or EEM, there isn't much point. If and when you deploy a user management platform, you will need to add it here. Let's take a look at users. We'll add a new one. This is easy. You create the user, add the domain, role, and password, which has requirements with regards to characters. We add a regular user, one that doesn't have admin privileges. We're currently logged in as admin with an admin role, but the user we're creating will have a regular user role to prevent it from being able to perform changes and just use existing data. We will log out and back in as regular. We'll show how business areas are no longer accessible. The business area page is no longer there.